Are you still using XAMPP? And are you on a modern Mac computer? By modern, I mean a Mac computer that has an M1 chip or newer. As you can see, XAMPP for macOS supports PHP 8.2, which is very outdated. And as far as I can tell, this project is basically abandoned. If you're still using XAMPP, you've probably seen this error popping up on your computer. And it tells you that XAMPP is not going to work with a future release of macOS, and support is ending. I'm getting emails from all over the world looking for answers. Users are scared, they don't know what to do, and they're looking for solutions. So today I'm going to show you what to do, what the solution is, because I developed getPHP, which is a tool that supports the latest Mac computers. It installs PHP 8.5 on your Mac, but I have to tell you, it only works if your Mac uses an M1 chip or newer. Basically, if you have a Mac that was released after 2020, then you are good to go. So the solution to this XAMPP problem is very simple. So if you see this message, just remove XAMPP from your computer. Of course, please make your backups and save all your data that you will need. And then you can visit getphp.org. And here you can see getPHP supports all three major operating systems: macOS, Ubuntu Linux, and Windows 11 as well. So if you are on a Mac, all you have to do is click this button to copy the command, and then open up your terminal and paste in the command. Then hit enter to run it. And the getPHP script will run. It's not downloaded on your computer. It entirely runs from memory, and it opens this script from GitHub, from the official getPHP GitHub repo that you can find here. If you click this link, it will open up the getPHP GitHub repo. Let me zoom in a little. And here you can find a little intro video where I tell you what getPHP is. Here are the commands, a little tutorial for Windows 11, but it doesn't matter which version you use, they all work the same. The Windows, the Linux version, the macOS version, they look and work exactly the same. Okay, so you can check out the GitHub page. You can look into the source code. It's completely transparent. Everything is here. It's 100% free and open source. Okay, so you get the command either from here or from the GitHub README page, and then paste it into your terminal, and the script will run. So right now I don't have anything installed. So all I have to do is just type install, or I for short, and then press enter. And the installer will run, and it's going to install Apache, MySQL, PHP, phpMyAdmin, everything you need. Okay, you just need to press Y a couple of times. It may ask you for your password because it installs a bunch of stuff and it needs the admin privileges. So you just press yes to install all the dependencies. getPHP is completely straightforward. It's very easy to use. It configures everything automatically, so you don't have to dig into configuration files or enable PHP modules, and you don't have to do any of that stuff. It does everything for you automatically. Okay, it takes a couple of minutes to install everything, and once it is installed, I will show you how it works, and I will walk you through all the functions. Okay, it's installing PHP right now. As you can see, it installs PHP 8.5.8, which is the latest version. It sets up everything for you, and it's already installation is complete. And as you can see here, your PHP stack is ready, and it already started the services, the Apache service, which is called HTTPD. It also starts the MySQL service, the PHP service. You can see these pop-ups here. So it's done. It installed everything. So let's see, Apache, MySQL, PHP, phpMyAdmin, everything is installed. Services are running. And here's a little information block where to put your website files. So it creates a folder inside your home directory called getPHP. And inside getPHP, there is a www folder. And you have to put your files into that folder. How to test your PHP setup? Just go to localhost phpinfo.php. Let's do that now. Okay, I'm gonna open up a new tab and go to localhost slash phpinfo.php, and it works. I'm gonna zoom in a little so that we see it better. See, PHP 8.5.8, and it already loaded all the PHP modules we need. So it looks like it's working. Let's go back to the terminal. Where to access phpMyAdmin? Localhost / phpMyAdmin, and the username will be root and the password will be blank. Let's try that too. Okay, so localhost phpMyAdmin, and it works. Username is root, password is empty. We just have to log in, and it works. Let's go back to the terminal and let's see what we can do here. So here are the commands we can use. We can use the install command, which installs or repairs the PHP stack in case you decide to get into the configuration files and change values and you mess up something. You just hit I, then enter, and it will repair everything to the default values. Okay, what happens if, let's say, PHP 8.6 comes out? Well, all you have to do is just press U or type update and hit enter, and it will update everything for you. You don't have to uninstall anything. You don't need to make backups. It's just one command. Update, enter, and in 2 minutes you'll be ready to go. Okay, you can restart or stop the services. I'm talking about these services. So if you don't want Apache, MySQL, or PHP to be running all the time, you can just type stop and it will stop those services. And if you restart your computer, they will remain in a stopped status. So you don't have to worry about that. If you don't develop every day, you can just stop these services and they won't use any system resources. Okay, if you decide to to start working again and you need the services, so you want to open up anything in your www folder, you just type restart, enter, and it will start these 3 services and you are ready to go. Okay, if you decide that you don't need getPHP anymore, you don't need your PHP stack, you just type delete, hit enter, and it will tell you exactly what will be deleted and what will not be deleted. Your website files and your MySQL databases will be preserved. Okay, but you can manually delete them anytime. Now I'm not gonna delete anything, so I'm gonna say no. Nothing was deleted. Okay, so let's say getPHP is ready, all the services are running, and we quit this script. Okay, so getPHP is not installed on your computer. It's just a script that handles everything. It's like it synthesizes everything so that it works. Your entire PHP stack works thanks to getPHP. Okay, so if you quit the getPHP script, everything will still work. If you go to localhost, phpMyAdmin, phpInfo, all your websites, whatever you have installed, whatever framework you're using, they will keep working. Okay, all you have to do is from time to time, every once in a while, you go back to your terminal. Let's say you come back to your terminal in 2 months because there is a new PHP version, and of course you don't know the command by heart, so you go to getphp.org and you just copy the command, go to your terminal, paste it in, and hit enter, and you will see everything here. Okay, you can update, you can restart, you can delete everything. You just need this single command for your operating system. Okay, now I'm gonna hit quit. Yes, and one more thing. These services keep running even if you restart your computer, so you don't have to do this every day. I've been using getPHP for 5 months now, and I never had to restart it. Even if there is a macOS update, it will restart by itself. So until you don't stop them, they will keep running. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. You just go about your business, and this stack will be on your computer, services will be running, and you will be good to go. All right, so I think that's it. So if you are on a Mac computer and you have problems with XAMPP, please go to getphp.org. You can check it out. You can subscribe to get notified of updates. Don't worry, I'm not gonna send you any spam. I'm just gonna send you notifications about PHP updates and the getPHP updates. You can also check out the getPHP YouTube channel, and if you like the content and getPHP, then please subscribe and like the videos. I'm planning to maintain this project for the long term, so I recommend you check it out and just solve this problem once and for all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.